Welcome to this PHP video tutorial. As we learned in the last video, PHP runs on a server. Once we create a PHP file, we must upload it to a server with PHP installed in order for it to run. There's a few ways of doing this. If you already have a web host, chances are that PHP is already installed. The reason for this is that PHP is the most widely used server-side scripting language, and perhaps more importantly, it doesn't cost anything for a web host to install. Any web host that uses a Linux-based server almost certainly already has PHP installed. Many web hosts will also have PHP available on Windows servers, but this will depend on the web host. If you do not currently have access to a web host, that's no problem. We can run a server directly on our computer using a program called Xampp. Xampp is a free download and comes with Apache, which will be our server, with PHP already installed, configured, and ready to go. In the next video, we'll walk through the process of installing Xampp, running our server, and uploading PHP files to it. In this video, we'll take a look at the process of creating, uploading, and viewing our PHP files. When we create our PHP file, first we must upload it to a web host. One way of doing this is with a free FTP client like FileZilla. Once set up, it's a matter of dragging and dropping your file. FileZilla has a great user interface which makes this very easy. Always remember to save your PHP file before you upload it, otherwise you may be uploading an older version of your file. If we're running a server on our computer, this process is just a matter of saving the file to our server's htdocs folder, which we'll look at in the next video. Now that the file is uploaded, we can request this file through our web browser to see our changes. It is important to remember that we must follow this process when we create and edit our PHP pages. PHP is not like other programming languages where we can just click a run button to see our changes or to debug our code. PHP can have this functionality, but not without third-party software, and even then you won't know if your code will run the same on your machine as it would on the live server which you plan to upload it to. In other words, for debugging, it's best to upload your PHP scripts to the place where they'll be used on the internet. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.